What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Cuts Entertainment Report podcast. And today, we have a really special guest in the building. Listen, this lady is a bona fide entertainer. She's a singer, a songer, a former dancer, but now she's a full-time artist. You know, we have in the building today, we have Renee 630 in the building today. What's going on, my sister?
Muscle, I like how you introduced me.
You like it?
I need that introduction there from a stage show. They went on stage show and artists come on there. Yes.
Yeah. For a price, anything could happen. You understand?
All right.
I'll talk to Crawba and say, yo, take me on the road. I will make it happen.
Yeah, man. But I like the introduction.
All right. Thank you. Welcome to the Entertainment Report podcast here in Toronto.
Yeah. What's up?
I mean, we're good. How are you enjoying yourself in Toronto?
Man, I lie. Toronto, Canada.
Okay.
I would live here, you know. I find myself twanging already, you know.
So
I love here.
What's stopping you from actually saying, you know what, I would live here?
No, that's not, I would live here.
Yeah.
I would definitely live here, but through, you know, the career, we have to go all over the world, so I don't want to be at one place.
Got you. All right. On this podcast, we like to go right from the beginning and then bring it right up to 2022. Mm-hmm. So my first question for you is this. Mm-hmm. Where did you grow up in Jamaica? And what type of child were you?
Hey, I was such a shy child. Nobody in my family knew that this was going to be Renee.
Yeah.
Nobody. Because when me did younger, I did so shy.
You were shy?
I grew up in Portmore, though. Waterford. Gaza. Yeah. But I grew up in Portmore. Mm-hmm. I was a very shy child. When I was younger, I was very shy. So, yeah.
Very shy. So then even back then, growing up, what did you think you were going to get into? Did you think you were going to be a nurse, a doctor? Or what do you think you're going to be?
No, you know, so from me young, I did say I want to be an artist.
Okay.
Yeah, because I could have sing. Because I can't actually sing. So I used to lock up in the room. Like, you know, when I play Dalios, me lock up in the room and put the towel on my hair, like my hair long. Put the towel on my head, like my hair long, and go in at the fan and I sing. Like, you know, that singing at the fan, it sound like a studio. And me I say, yeah, me I sing, and me I go on, and me I perform for myself. And I say, you know, say, it's an artist for me. Every time when I reach like 13, 14, me used to listen to Beer, Beyonce, Alicia Keys. I love R&B.
Okay.
Be R&B music, me used to listen to Kai through me a singer. So, I love music from me young, but no people don't know that because through me shy and I not really tell nobody. And for me, go sing for nobody, I just say sing. No, it not gonna work.
Yeah.
But I should at the same time. Shy.
How did you even discover your voice at this time you're there? How did you know that you could sing and this is something that you could actually do?
No, that as I say, like when I did young and I used to sing, like me used to call my cousin them in the kitchen and I said, come sing for them. I used to sing one Tessa and Chin song. Oh, the song, take my breath away if only you would stay. So that song there, I think I remember exactly because for a long time. I used to sing for my cousin them, and my cousin was like, no, you sound poor. But Mr. I want my auntie them, and the big people them here, but I just bring them and sing for them. So I know I could have sing, but I'm just too shy. But like, when I reach in the business and get used to it as a dancer, at them time I really decide, say, yeah, we can overcome it now.
Okay, before we got a little while before we get into that there. So even in like say high school now, did you enter any competitions? What type of person were you in high school? Because you said you were shy.
I'm shy.
Even in high school.
All of them competition, when me I go, when me I do pan them somewhere, I be shy. You come like you not hear me, no want nobody hear me. Nobody at all, because them alone, me the confident to sing in front of them. And them I say, yo girl, you can't sing. Even now when them see me I do music, them be like, a long time you want to do this and that. Them know because from where I look up pitney.
You've been
somebody shy. I never enter nothing. I never did on a church choir. I never did nothing like that. Comedy shy.
Yeah.
So when it comes out to me being at the forefront, no, you're not gonna see me. I'm gonna run back and hide.
Right, like that. That's why I like that. So even thinger. So then even dancing. How did dancing enter your life then?
And that me used to love do too.
Yeah.
Me used to love dance too. And even me used to like one time in Portmore, Waterford, like when our cousin them they keep on party and like me did it and like they must say somebody coming out the middle and dance to the birthday girl, like birthday girl and somebody got contest and them cousin them a push me. I said, go on, I said no. I said, go on, them a push me, you know. I say when them finally push me, because you know when people are boots you up till they finally reach and I get can't. Them done reaching and I can't do nothing. So me reaching now, I'm a mash up the place, you know. And then I said, no, the birthday girl win because you know if your birthday, don't give it to her. But a couple days after, like a cook shop around the road, and me there at the cook shop I buy food and the people them must say, yo, I had a butt dance over there at the party. And I said, backside of somebody to go on. That people all see me in the scheme and I say, yo, butt dancer. And so them are going and I'm like, go to people there at the party. So me could have danced good for a long time. I remember my mother always tell me story say when me like 4 or 5, like our friend them used to come for me for bring me to the baby party them for me go put my head and split. So dancing and singing was something when I love from me young, but singing was really when me did decide I want to do because I really, really love music. So that is what me really did want to do from me younger. But dancing just find me because me can do it too.
So even before you got into dancing, were you working a normal job, a regular job? What were you doing before dancing?
I was trained into dancing.
Yeah.
As I left high school, and even yesterday I was doing an interview and I tell them like when I left high school, me and 2 girls from Waterford, like we used to tell them could have dance, you know, it was a twin, and like they used to want to bring me everywhere, but I said, true me shy, but I still tell myself, I need to get out of that shy thing, yeah. Because probably I can't do the dancing and get the highlight and whatever. So it's like, we go on party one night, and I must have just left school, I'm just go to look event, I don't really go nowhere, I don't really know nothing, because my family kind of grew me uptown, you know. So I go starting to pick me, I say, boy, from me I go to school, me a screech, you go to party, and I say, no. And when me left school, me know about party because my parents them too strict for me go screechy from them time the little picnic and a party. So me never have them privilege there. So when me left school, no one I go to look a party and a bus when no one I say, yeah, we are attaz. And one night we were at the party, I was see some Magnum Girls. You know the Magnum dancer, them Magnum Girls, and look tap on them, look shots and them sexy and I go on themselves. And me and the girl are talking at the party, and I say, me not tell a lie, but I love to do that car. You know, we are dancing, them I get paid for dance. Yeah. And we get love for those. I get paid for something where you love, like, you know, that would have nice. So, like, me and my friend go to the girl, one of the dancer girl, and say, come here, like, how we can get one of them to work at the girl? I say, I'm sure they can manage, and sure they can manage. Yeah. I mean, I say, of course. I like, she say, you know, so the boss there here, because like the boss would go work with them. So she just call the boss and say, them 2 girls, I say, them want a Magnum, they want to be a Magnum dancer and whatever. And the boss say, yo, all right. Dance what audition, you know. Yeah. Dance on the beginning of the party because still you can't do. I may tell you, remember me shy and me afraid, but that night they may say I need the work. And I need for us put aside my shinies and get the work. I'm going to put aside my shinies. I'm going to go on bad me and the girl will mash up the place, you know. And thing, and the woman say, all right, we'll get the work. Just come Monday, sign the papers. And a part of the team, you say, backside. But already know, I'm not telling a lie. Dancing in Magnum was a great experience. We go all over Jamaica. As we tell them, we grew cloak up and strict parents. So going into Magnum promotion, same time as I left high school, I go some place in Jamaica, St. and Ochi, got all of the place. Them I go dance. And like would I dance at some bar, you know, Magnum thing go. You have the bar, I do Magnum, them and something, and them I sell the Magnum and a dancer girl, them a dance. It was a great experience. It really grew me to make me grow the shinies.
And at this time, did you have your name 630? Did you add the 630 to your name at that time?
No, little after that. Yes, little after I get the work, I work like for a year. In same time as I get the work, I meet Sher, dancer queen Sher. So Sher was one of the CM party already there. Yeah. Sher was one of the dancer, the Magnum girl, and where they for our head about the sound. I said, no man, like them dancer are bad. I want to be like them. So same time, I don't know. Me and her click same time. People don't know from, and that is from what 2012. Me and her like 10 years of friendship.
Wow.
So from them time, I meet her, And like me and her click and like them tell them as me tell them me really a gone away. She used to go like dancehall party in Kingston. Cause remember Portmore me them go past Portmore, me not gone away. So she used to go like the Weddy Wednesday and the boom boom and the one of the party them. My mom don't know, one night she invite me and say, yo, we're going to party at forward. I'm saying, of course. Put on my clothes and mother give me two little suit for wear because I'm not dressed up because I'm not going away. But my mother was a party person and she go out every night. So my mother say, you can't wear this. And I go out, I'm reach out there, I'm going to say, Shelly Belly and Marvin, them and Diamond, them and everybody. I'm going to say, I want it.
Yeah.
What is this?
So these are people that you've seen on DVDs or you never heard of these
Yes,
people?
we used to watch that. Now I get to. We used to watch the DVD them because when we used to go school, like teenager, we go out high school. My cousin when she loved the Ray, and she alone broke out the whole away. She go every time when the CD them come on, she go buy them. I'm the whole away in our living room or yard. I watch be a DVD. Maybe I look up it there. I see some bag of excitement.
Yeah.
Who's the diamond pull the Rasta man head? So I said, Jesus, what she a do? Them say, I say, what kind of something this? Me see Marvin I jump from all stop Japan people. I said, whatever something so when me really reach the dancehall scene, I mean see it for myself. I say backside, me I come here every night. I sure call me. Me there every night. Me there. I say me this can't miss me. I mean, remember me there miss out a whole heap of things, cause me just about to.
So you're gonna catch up.
Yeah, so me I say every night and I make me and sure get close guy and she call me already, And she used to I think she did get booked for like video shoots and she would have called me too.
Okay.
Like me did go in a first set of video, then me go in a RDX video. I'm gonna baby sham. Don't stop do it cause I'm back way. I love you. Watch a video there and see me.
You're in there.
That was the third video I ever go in ever. First video I go in was Kipridge. The one Burkilla that song. We say first video them tell me when we go down the video I say what me I gonna do? What me I gonna do? Me don't know at all. But I overcome it and going on the video them and so make we used to them tell me when we are dance.
Yeah.
We did a whole of the video them. Every artist, we didn't have them video because we are bad dancers, so them a call with a video shoot.
Just like that. But then your name, the 630, how did you add the 630 onto your name now?
Yeah, like you see one of the party then when we go with Sher, like the selector me did that. But only could have do 630 and puppeteer. Me could have only do 630 and puppeteer. As me hear music, I bend over and push my head between my legs and me a shake my body same time after. So it's like, when I night them six, I say, Sher. And I call one of dance them name. How that one ya? I wish, I'm going to say, tell him somebody ready at 6:30. And I think it was 6 killer from Portmore. I said, tell him somebody ready at 6:30. Because me give myself the name. I said, tell him that and then tell him. And I said, 6:30. And from that, everybody called me.
So then, because I think 630 originally, Idonia was singing about 630 at first.
That is why Idonia was always my favorite artist. Cause from them time I listen to him, I'm ever do 6:30. I said, no, 6:30, I'm my dance.
All right, so then now you came up with this name, 630. So what was the first dance you actually came up with then at that time there?
After the 6:30?
So the first dance you came up with where you put a dance moves to the song was 630.
No, Puppeteer.
Puppeteer was the first one.
Yeah,
how did you come up with it? Because again, we see people in the parties, in the dance out in the street doing all this stuff there. But I've always wanted to know, do you guys go home and practice this? You guys practice? What happens before you guys actually come to the dance?
When me and Sher them used to dance, me don't know what the dance and them now. But when me and Sher them used to dance, we used to practice.
Yeah.
Like we used to love it that bad where we call each other and say, yo, what we do today? Link up on a person yard, who forever yard available. For Sher yard, Sher we call me and say, yo, come. I would there, I would watch some long time video with some back then dancer before we used to come on them head and do some little bed up and do some little something. And we say, come practice that style and we practice it. I'll put a little concrete, scrape up and do a kind of something. But we are trying to do the style. Because we are telling ourselves, say, when we go tonight, and we hear a bad song at the same style we are do. That's how passionate we were about it. I don't know about the dance and them no, but we did very passionate about what we are do. I tell us, we would look up some long time dance.
Yeah.
I would practice them. I would do them when reaching at the party. Yeah.
From there. So then,
Practice.
how did you come up with the Puppeteer then?
Yeah, as I tell you, well, I always do 6:30 and puppeteer. So one day, as me dey over Sher yard, we are practice. And like, sure, cousin, like what I said, sure, I say, you know, start dance about it. You need to name it. I said, for true, we need to name it. And yeah, I say, and promote it and make people know about it. So I said, but we're going to name it, because naming a dance is the hardest thing. We're going to name it, and like, sure, cousin, in ball out same time, excuse me, him say, so when you do the dance, you look like one little puppy I get tail. A little puppy I go so. I say, so when you see the name there, puppy tail. What up about up? Puppy tail, see them, big up there and him. Big up Sher, cause him say, yeah man, look like a little puppy I get tail. I was a see there,
Puppy tail.
And that's how we get the name. And then after that now was Shirley start post up, cause she had a bigger car people, as we want to talk the party, people always just say, oh, you love follow back a Sher. But really and truly, a lot of my accomplishments, she's the one who pushed me. Because as me, I tell the story, our name in the story, because she's the one who say, name your dance, push your dance, do that. So even people always say, oh, you just I'll be a Sher, but she's really a part of my story.
Yeah.
She's the one who say, do that. So me have to big her up. So when she say, yo, make a post it for Instagram, she posted it up on Instagram because she had a bigger following than me at the time. Because the 2012 she did win Dancehall Queen, 2012. So her thing did big time. So she had a bigger following. So she's like, may I post up on my Instagram? I like Demarco did that student the night. I like him. I say, him want to do a girl song. And like a girl was there with follow Sher and Sister Sher post about the puppy tail. And the girl tell him, so him call me, say them see one number, call me, I say, oh, this him say, oh, what Demarco? I say, you have one dance, one girl there to that. I say, you have one dance named Puppy Tail. I see on Sher Instagram. I want to sing about a bad girl song. I want to sing about a dance. We can sing. I say, of course. And I say, all right, in about an hour time, I say, I call you back. I make you hear the song. And so then I can call me back.
Yeah.
I'm here, bend your back and then I say, no. Oh, what a song, match the dance. Me get excited, I start scream, I call everybody, I say, backside. And Renee 6:30 name it. I say, no. And from there, so I get the big break as a dancer. I'm not telling like Puppy Tail was the one who gave me the real break as a dancer.
That really brought you to the forefront.
Yeah, because Puppy Tail worldwide,
Of course.
Like even now, I see some white people from Europe tag me in a Puppy Tail, like me, I say, but look how long I do that dance then.
Because
like,
this is when Dirty Fridays and all of those stuff was still going on at that time there?
No, I think, them some of these stop keep.
Yeah.
Dirty Friday, these stop keep.
Where were you? Uptown Mondays?
Yeah, Uptown Mondays. I'm telling you, boom, boom, them both Tuesday, where the Wednesday, them look something there.
And you're going around doing your thing. All right, so then now you have your song. You know what I mean? DeMarco linked up. So, okay, bam, gone.
Song, and him link me, we promote the song. We used to go around at night time, promote the song till the song, it just go off because the way the song bad and the dance bad, it did have to take off.
At this time here, did you start flying yet at this time here, or you were still just in Jamaica doing stuff?
I was still in Jamaica, and that was in the last part of 2014 till 2015 when we really said the song really big. That's when we really start go places because in 2015 we get called out for go England. I went to England in 2015 because of Puppy Tail. We got Turks and Caicos. We got a couple of island free Puppy Tail. Like we go places.
That's wild there. And you keep saying sure, but I know there was actually more you guys in the crew. There was 4 you guys or 3 you guys in the crew?
I did 3 away.
It was you, Sher, and Nikisha.
Yeah.
What happened with you and Nikisha? Why? It seems like you just don't speak about her anymore.
I wish not to talk about it though. But we're not friends anymore though.
Yeah.
At least everybody know that right now.
Yeah, because as I said, just one day it just disappeared. You're no longer.
No, it wasn't
near
one
her.
day.
Yeah.
Things things that but people know. So we're just never talk.
But you and Sher is good though.
Yeah, that's my best friend. Sher is my best friend for life.
Did the video and everything, did you actually start touring with DeMarco or you were just touring on your own?
I know what the saddest thing. I never thought about it yet, but the saddest thing, DeMarco never bring me gun away yet. Like out of Jamaica. He never bring me gun away out of Jamaica when Puppy Tail did that. That's one of the only saddest thing, but I'm still grateful for the song and that my dance big. I'ma just take it. But just but he never bring me gun away.
Which, did you ever go on tour with any artists?
Yeah.
Who
in
did you go on tour
2018, I went on tour with Charly Blacks.
Okay. How did you connect with Charly in the first place?
So like after 2015 runoff, 2016, me and I think Nikki Shawty get called for a show in St. Vincent, and like Charly Blacks was on the show, and that's when I met Crawba. So when we meet Crawba now, where Crawba turned big friend on the show, and the show was great, and we come back to Jamaica, me and him became really good friends after that. So we was friends throughout 2017, 2016, and 2018 now. Him call me and I say, yo, Charly, I go on tour, and he would want to dance. And I say, of course, would I come here crazy? Me on tour, I'm ready right now. So that's how the link really get really tight. I went on tour with Charly, and that's when I did that decide to make a stop dance. Because in 2018, like, me have a really bad back pain. I used to do one dance, I flick over from back. But it never affect me same time. People used to say, oh, no, do it. We never feel nothing. People always say, we don't feel nothing. When I go on my night time, I don't feel nothing.
Yeah.
But after a while, it affect me. Me don't know, like it affect my back. It start hurt my body. But a lot of people don't know that because I never really talk about it. But my back did that kill me. Like even when I would up on tour, I would go for the show, then I would come home back. My back would have kill me. I have a big crab like stepping on my back like something cause that kill me. I couldn't bear it. So that's when I decided to say, yo, my back I give up on me. And I need to stop dance now. I accomplished a lot of that dancing.
Yeah.
Me I want like one of the biggest dancers out of Jamaica. So we can do something else right now. And as I tell them, I did been love music before. And I think before I go up on tour, a couple months before, I did do a song with Destiny. Because me and Destiny, they look link up. Destiny's part and I did do work it with her. And that's when me I say, yo, the song sound good. And me I say, yo, you know, so I really need to take my music career serious now, being that mega stop dance. And that's when me start talk to Crawba. I say, Crawba, what do you think? And Crawba say, of course, it sounds good. Do it. And me I say, I need somebody for me manager. From them time, they didn't know I'm manager.
Wow. How did you even link up with Destiny? Because you said at this time you guys were dancing this time. So how did you even link with Destiny to do a song like that in the first place?
We had a group them time. I think 2017, 2018, me had a group, and she was in the group, my WhatsApp group, and she was in the group, and like she used to always big me up, and I said, Renee, a long time, I love you as a dancer and something. So me and her, the turn big friend who could have reason about certain things. So me tell her, say, yo, more the music, like even when we did a dance, a lot of people, like artists from me used to go around, like when we go studio with them, we used to say, you know, say me can't sing. We used to tell them, say me could sing, I want the music. So once me go around an artist, I'm going to say it because that's something I want to do. But me just not do it outright. So me used to tell Destiny, say, yo, I want the music, you know, I love music. And she said, Eve. So like she came about with the song and she said, yo, I have the song, you know, you can't sing that part, and me sing that part. And I say, girl, I'm glad for the opportunity. Yeah, I'm ready, of course. That can be a start. You know me, I think of it like it's a start. So me do it with her and it come out good because that song, enough people love that song then.
Yeah, and the funny thing with it, this is your first song you recorded and it has visuals to go with it too.
Yeah. So I said, big up to Crawba. Crawba helped with that because Crawba was like the song, but you know, we need to shoot a video. I said, but we just after we have them big money to shoot video. Like where I think some me I say, me just a start out as an artist. Me they even I'm an official artist. So when I get big money from a shoot video, you know, in my head me I say I pay money for shoot video. So Crawba like, but no one person man where we can. You know, them not too expensive, and I'm a friend same way, so I can tell him, say, don't go too hard on them, because you know them, not, you know. And Crawba link the guy, and the guy said, all right. I was like, all right, I will deal with it. I will link the producer to her, I say, yo, pay for this. And the producer said, of course, because the song bad. And the producer was J Crazy. Big up J Crazy, my first song.
Yeah.
For a big producer. Because J Crazy a big producer. And for me, my first song, him produce it. I did really happy. So big up J Crazy. And J Crazy was like, of course, I'm willing. Let's pay for the video. Let's do. And I said, all right, see, you know, it's a workout. And we showed the video, and the video was a success. And the whole of the bad dancer, then big up dancer, then when he come and the video come support me.
Because they know you're making your transition now from dancing to singing. So when did you actually make the hard break? Say, okay, when do you remember the last day you actually danced? And then say, okay, I'm going fully into music now as an artist.
On tour.
Yeah.
When I come off a tour, I never dance again. Never after that. Because when I come I'm come back from tour. I think a month after I do my body.
We're going to get to that.
No, that's what I tell you. That's the last time I danced. Because after, like, I think we'll go on tour the July to August. And like, we'll come off a tour to August. And I was like, to Crawba, I said, what a plan? I said, Crawba, I kind of put on enough weight and I get fat. But differently from that, I'm going to do surgery. But one of the main reasons why I'm going to do surgery, I'm doing it because of an investment. And I didn't want a new image. So I said to Crawba, let's plan it out. Because whenever I want me just sing a bag of song and people say, oh, she artist, the dancer girl, she artist. No, we want it look well organized and well planned. So we say, all right, I'm going to do my body, drop the body, and them says a new image because you have to have a new image if you're going to do something new because you want to come fresh. So I say, all right, I come fresh so nobody not pre me as the dancer. Them are pre me say, oh, a new fresh Renee, do body Renee. She artist, no way, yeah. So I do my body the November, same 2018, do my body the November, release my body the December. Everybody I say, yeah, our body look nice, whatever. And then same time now I say, we need to drop a song about my body. An official song. Cause remember me I said, song before Destiny, it's still a dancing song, so it's still keep
in the same.
Like somebody said, wow, something official, like an artist official song. So that's when I combo with my body. I was like, all right, we're gonna do my body. I was sing the song. I did have some people who did have bad comments. So I said, oh, our body don't look good. I did have people who say, yeah, our body look good. So we had half and half. So I said, all right, I'm gonna sing and say, oh, it bun them to my firm and sturdy. My pussy, what? Yeah, so we did the song and we dropped the song with that and like it was a success. Because down to this day, my body, that's my biggest song. Like, and when we go and sing it, people know it.
What made you even decide? Because I know you wanted image. There's many of different things you could have done for image. What made you decide to do your body at that?
Well, not tell a lie. What my friend them body did do and them look sexy and them look good. As people say, your friends influenced you. Yeah. Of course, my friend them body they look good and like the whole way apart. So if the whole way apart, my body not do and for them body do like, would it just look half like the whole way apart, the whole way for look as one. So like me I say, me gonna do my body and at the time, it was a new thing. Like, it's a new thing on the scene where people are doing them body, like dancer people, because people are foreign, people are doing them body, like, and me in a follow-up, because on Instagram, I follow all heap of foreign girls, and Miss Hours, I look on them and I say, yo, look on a girl, that she look good, some of them, my body look good. And so, when me get the opportunity, I say, of course, me gonna do it, because I'm been always like, see it, I'm a think it's a good image. To me, it no matter what nobody will say, oh, you don't have to be so you don't have to sexy. As a female in the business, you have to have sex appeal, no matter what you think, because it's a male-dominated thing. So there's no way you can come in a while like, yeah, man, or you don't look good. You have to have image. And if a man say image is everything, thirst is nothing. No, but for true, like even you watch the foreign artists, them think up, them look good, them always keep up with the image. So, me, I think, all right, once we do my body, make it look really nice. Not saying I never have confidence. Of course, I did have confidence before, but I wanted a new image. I wanted a new look.
And at this time, you said you had put on some weight too. So remember, you're pairing with all the girls who has the dolly shape and all this. And you're the one that now put on the weight. And you're trying to transition now from dancer to artist. So then I guess the light bulb went in your head said, I guess
man, might as well. Because before, I never preach. Say, oh, I have to do my body. No. I never preach. And my friend them do them body like 3 years before me do my body. Okay. My friend them been do them body and me did all right with me being normal. But as somebody put on a lot of weight and me just a focus on dancing and I drop chip up myself. I say, all right, I need a new image. I need to clean up myself and look different and come fresh. You understand? So, yeah.
It was that there, because I know the song, My Body Now. This is your breakout song here.
Yeah.
You filmed some of it in Canada or all of it was filmed in Canada?
Some.
Why do you decide to film some of it up here?
Because leading into 2019, when I dropped My Body, I think I dropped My Body the week before I come to Canada. Like, I dropped it literally the week before I would drop My Body, the song. I say, we did get up bookings in Canada. I like, grab them and say, all right, I put in the visa, I get the visa. I say, so like, come get the visa, I'm finally go to Canada for the first time. When I can just shoot a video over there and done. And Crawba said, that would be a good idea. I said, man, I always want a foreign video. all of them look foreign look video there. I said, no, sir, that would not look good. I say, any way possible, we're going to make it work when we reach. So that's when, as I tell you, most of the things that we do, we plan it before, like, we orchestrate it, we think about that way. I say, that would look good and that would, yeah.
So it's a plan. You guys have these plans in things.
Yeah.
Because even with body now, you did breasts,
yeah.
BBL,
yeah.
liposuction,
yeah.
and I think after you went back, you did your legs. And
you know so much.
Hold on.
So much
I'm not done yet.
Must have what a way I research my business. Must have been like this for you.
I'm not done yet. And then you went back again, I think, and did your teeth.
No, when I went to do my leg, I did my teeth same time.
Because most people don't usually do their teeth, do they? It's more or less the rest of their body, but not really teeth.
Teeth, yeah.
What made you decide to do your teeth?
As I tell you, me always follow up the foreign artists and the foreign people. Them when me about Instagram, I see them smell something, them teeth white like a trap. Me I say, no, me want my teeth look so.
Yeah.
And as me tell you, me always I think about image. Me and my friend them always sit down and say, if we do this and do that, that make we thing look good. I would not do it because man look power or want someone look power or want people on Instagram. No, anything me and my friend them do is an investment because in the long run, people have to pay money. If you see we are paying money for we in a certain environment. So I don't want nobody feel like we are doing it because we want attention. No. No, we're not do all of that.
Well, it's attention, but attention that pays.
That pays, exactly. That's true. But you know, some people be like, yeah, I'm going to do them body because they want to post a picture points and they want a man to look on them. And I said, no, it's really an investment. I'm not going to tell a lie. Me make my body money long time. I'm doing my friend them body money because they understand like you have to put yourself in a class. You see the way you present yourself, that's how people's gonna treat you. That's what me learn and that's what me and my friend them learn. So if we come, body do up, people know once a day body has spent all of money. So if you call me, even if we still did not do dance, I would say we are just the music video. If an artist he call me and say, want to know video car, your body look good, I'm not a sexy girl in my video. How much I charge? We can say, give me $1,000 US or give me $8 US, just like how the Spanish guy come from Jamaica and him shooting video and him use the model girl. I don't remember what she name. She black and tall and she did win must say Miss Jamaica. I don't remember exactly, but he had to pay her money. He had to pay $1,000 US. Fishy going on video. So what that show you say if I not beat down a regular dancer or a regular dancer when I look good. But if you come away, you think you're gonna pay that money? No, you have to have certain caliber for him say, all right, yeah. So if me do my body and me come and him say, no, she spend all my money for her body, we have to pay her money for coming out with video because she never pay cheap for your body. It's an investment. And people don't understand a business.
I got you. You said when you grew up kind of sheltered and stuff.
Yeah.
When you did your body or even when you were thinking about doing it, did you tell your family about it?
No. After me come back and pay the people them see me and I say, oh, go ahead. Somebody say, yeah, I'm going to do my body.
Oh, what did they say?
They want to say no. Because at that time, when I'm an adult, I'm a big man, so I like them and say, why you do that? No. From the start, that's another business for me. They want to say like, she can't do what she want to do because she got all over the place.
You got about your business already.
Yeah. So the family never beat me. My mother support me in everything. My mother, she support me 100. Me not tell her lie.
Good. You know what I mean? Because I know same time, this is after My Body came out. That one has 4 million views on YouTube right now. Biggest one right now. I think this was around when you did the song with Charly Black's Engage.
Yeah, we did a song like, I think a couple months after. Yeah, a couple months after we did this.
How did you guys come up with this song now to even invite Gage now in this song? Can I get it? You and Charly and Crawba's on the road.
Yeah,
now,
you know,
Gage
me and Charly, they're on the same team. So we decided we have to do a song because we're on the same team. We have to do a song. So Charly linked me the day like, you ready for the song? I'm like, of course. Then me couldn't want do a song with Big Charly Black's ready right now.
Yeah.
So when him linked me, I reached out the studio. He was like, ready? I know how you feel away. I know me promise to say me I alone that gonna do the song. But I did do a song with Gage too. And I think better as well just try we just do a song. I say, but that's a good idea. Might as well. So that's how it combo and try we do the song. And the song is a success because people love the song there.
Yeah. Because I know you guys did a visualizer. I don't think you guys did an actual
No, we didn't shoot
video,
the video.
but just the visualizer.
All over the place. Him there's Gage, there's the Charly, there's the B, there's the so we just never together.
And this is 2019, because remember, 2019 going into 2020 is when the pandemic just hit. So you got your big break in 2019, right about to take off.
Oh my God. But with a something, because time is everything. It's in the place back now, but as you say, right, as we forget that real break as an artist, pandemic coming in, but it never stopped this, because same March 2020 when pandemic dropped and place a lockdown, same time Vybz Kartel DM me and said, because I did a song like, I think I did a song the December, the December 2019. But they do a song for Shabdan. So, and it was a song named Fornication that, you know, me I sing another song there. And when him DM me the March, he must say, yo, I want do a song with you. I want to put it on my album. I never really make it on the album, but that's what he DM me. I said, you sure me? You sure me I talk like me? I say, him correct, me young artist, just do my little thing. Him sure, look how much big artist did him the song with me. Because, you know, I still doubt myself little, but not to the line. So me I say, me, Kartel want the song with. So when I say, all right, like a couple months after, I never hear back from him till, you know, because I had him link me back and he sent me the song. I'm like, this is the song. And I said, Jesus Christ, it real for true. I'm going to do a song with Kartel. I'm going to record this song. I send him. And Kartel love this because the engineer, Red Boom, like I said to Red Boom, said, you sure I'm going to like it? You think you're going to like it? But do it good, Red Boom. So why you afraid? Girl, what?
He linked you so clearly he knows.
Like,
yes, man.
No, but I say I Kartel that muscle. I'm nervous. Me I say, I'm not sure. He said my heart a beat fast and him. Like, as I done record it, him said it to him same time. I said, all right, I could wait and hear if him like it. And I said, a beat fast. I said, Jesus Christ, what if I'm gonna like it? Or I said, it sound good. I see when him a link go back. Kartel link go back. Fred Boom send him the actual audio if he put on one video and him put it on one video and post it on him Instagram same time. And it's like, I love it. I was like, Jesus Christ, may I go on the side of my heart and a lie?
You see what I like with that song? The song is called Sometimes Love Dies.
Sometimes Love Dies.
What I like with that song, you thought, when you see Kartel, you thought it would have been another one of your, I call them softcore porn songs. All right. You thought it would have been that, but it was like actually a real love song.
Yeah,
you understand where you were singing and doing all.
And that is why I'm always say to people, say Kartel is a music genius. No matter what them want, say who bada, who no bada, you have to give it to him. He knows music. That's something that we study. Him not just do song and him bad, him know music. Because him listen to the song, the Fornication song, and him realize, say, I'm a singer. Most people come to me and want the song with me. They want me for DJ. And them not think about it, say Renee is a singer. So him know say she's a singer, so I can't give her one of them hardcore song there and I give her one love song when I know her voice like a sweet. You hear my voice sweet pan some is no man I'm here, some say I can't tell you a genius do it.
And what really drove it home were the visuals again. It was like you guys were in a relationship or you know what? Explain the video for me.
Because remember in the song we're singing about Sometimes Love Dies. So we wanted the video to go back to the song like, you know, sometimes people in a relationship and we feel like we not want to live. But really and truly we know say the love dead and we just still a hold on because we are say it to a heap of people. Like the song people can relate because you know the song we are talking about like if me there was somebody for like a 10 years and I say, I really not love him again. Because him do this to me and him do that to me, I don't want to be ungrateful. Enough people in a relationship because of that right now, you know. Like right now. And I don't think it makes sense. Like if you feel like you lose love for the person, why hold back yourself? Be unhappy. Like if you have to leave. You can't be ungrateful. You just have to be happy. So that is what the song the message that the song did I send out. So that's what the message we wanted in the video. So that's why the video was like that. You know, me and my boyfriend Daddy and we know I love him. Daddy had chatted woman on him laptop. I'm workplace, him know him one next woman. Me, next man, I try kiss me, I lift me up off a machine, and me I say, no, stop. So, yeah, that's all the video. You know, the message we are sending on the video.
All right, because I know you even linked up, now you linked with Kartel, you even linked up with his son now, Lika Addy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? How did you guys come up with that song there, My Own World?
You know, so really, that song was really just him link me at last minute and be like, I want you on this song. And I'm like, okay. And him just send me the song and I just do my part. That was just a quick thing, but it's a really good song.
And his singer, that's on his album there that came out.
That came out on his album, his new album. I think it was an album or an EP.
EP.
I think it was an EP.
Yeah, I think it had like about 6 songs. And
it was an EP, a small EP, yeah.
You were definitely on it. So you link with the dad, you link with the son. You have to just link with the next Addy now.
Where's the link up? But my dad said I love him, you know, him like him is a bad artist. Some respect him thing. Yeah.
Again, you change your gear. This one you went cultural, one drop. You know what I mean? Love, what was it called here? Lovin' Isaacs and Wilson. How did you come up with that now? Because this is totally out of your lane. This isn't something that I would see you do. How did that come up?
Because really and truly, you know, I love dancehall, I love dancehall music, but not saying I'm not against reggae, because I love reggae too, but I more love dancehall music, because, you know, me as a rap person, I'm ready for talk the things that I'm going bad. But Crawba came up with that idea, because Crawba is a reggae man. When you talk about reggae, you talk about Crawba, I love reggae bad.
Yeah.
So it's like Crawba come to me one day, like, you know, some of what idea? I know you can sing really good. And him come and him show me the 2 songs. Them is Loving Isaac, Delroy Wilson, and
Gregory
Isaac. So when he make me listen to the 2 songs, them I be like, practice it, listen to it. Come I know you can do it. I say, you sure be? What me I do? I sing them song there. Because I was like, you sure, Crawba? And I'm like, no man, you will see. How people look by it different if you sing that song. Them say, all right. Let's do it, because I work where I work, and music where I do. Can't limit myself, say, oh, I have to be dancer. So I go in, listen to the song like for about a month. I listen to the song, then practice them, and then I record it. I'm not tell a lie. Now, like 2 weeks ago, I make a guy go up on my YouTube and be like, go check out my music. And when the guy come back, he was like, that was his favorite song. I was like, you sure?
Yeah.
You know me, I sing one baga X time, and the boy said, yeah, that's my favorite song. And next guy after that said the same thing. I mean, I'd be like, no, man. It worth it in the long run.
That's why it's good as an artist to try different things.
Yeah.
You never know where it's going to land,
Yeah,
where it's going to put you. You understand?
For true.
Okay, this is where, as I said, this is now where I definitely call this your soft porn one. It's Madwova. All right? How did you come up with this? And those visuals now, I need you to know how you came up with those visuals.
So, I must say, the lady go back to do her legs and her teeth. And when we come back fresh again, you know the man them a mad over my body. But differently from that, Flow One Music, he was the one who linked me. I wanted to do the project. So Flow One linked me with the song, and he must say, yo, mad over, Renee, it goes together. And I say, yeah, it makes sense. I'm not gonna lie. Mad over. Cause the man them mad over my body right through. Every walk more them each from like fly. I can't bother. So that's that combo. And the video, I think you know the glow in the dark part. That part was my idea. I was like to the director. All right, after we do the other scenes, I want to do a scene like I'm almost naked. And my body a glow, so it's like I will get the glow painting and something. Cause me have to put that part in there now. I'm not telling like I know me love the slackness. I will put it in the video. I'm not telling like the video nice and clean and the girl body look nice.
But those are one of those videos on YouTube where you have to go through, I think it's parental advisory, something before you actually get to the video.
Yeah, cause you know it raw.
And then another one where you had to go raw again was Nah Left. This came out this year?
No, Nah Left, I never go raw. Nah Left is a relationship song. But the man Nah Left.
Yeah.
So Now I left Flow One again. It's Flow One linked me back, wanted to work with me again. And where I said, want to do a relationship song. And I be like, you know what the girl them always say? The man now left and mix up something. I said, when you want them to mix up song, they like, yeah, the man now left. No matter what the people them go to him and talk. I mean, go treat a lot. Like, people will go to my sports post and be like, oh, why they with she and so much man and look around? You see she this and she that and you sure she and the man and they look how she and Crawba close. You sure she just him, I'm manager. You sure she and Crawba are there? At the end of the day, when they go to my people, they man talk. They will not kill. We say we are Crawba. They may say, what are them people, them crazy? But you know, people still be like, she can't so sexy and around him. And you know, them think every man are the same thing. But no, it's strictly business. So, I go through them something there and I be like, no, I have to sing about it. I have to sing about something like that. Where yeah, the man now left, no matter what I want to tell him. No matter what I call him, to the man like, right, just so. Him not leave.
He's not leaving.
And a lot of females can relate. The man not left. All the people want to not take. Him not left.
Can't deal with you, you know. Listen, there was another thing. I'm not sure if you're still doing it right now, but I know in 2020 you joined OnlyFans.
Jesus, babe.
Aha.
So what? Why have to come upon this and attack my business? That was a secret, you know.
Once it's on Instagram, on your page, it's no longer a secret. Talk to me. Is it something you're still doing? It's something off to the side?
No, sir. But I think like me be like, Mr. Black China and all of them by Instagram and post and I make a bag of money. But I have to try a fight.
How did it work? How did it work out for you?
It worked for a time because guess what? Me really that choppy line. Because guess what? Me never post nothing naked because there's no way me can be an artist and the part only for to post naked things. But the people man them remember say my body do so it's like I trick them. Them run come over and think they must see the good body where them always am over. When them come over, but I screenshot some of the message them. When man them cuss me out, the man them say, I want back my money. This is a scam and them cuss me out. And I said, Jesus Christ, I wouldn't really come over here for sing. I'm not going naked. And if they don't pay them money for see already and them still out. So but then eventually just stop the because yeah, but that.
It was something that worked out for him. But you love Tinder. Don't get it twisted. You love the internet. You know how to manipulate it to make it work for you. Just like I know, I think it was probably 2021. You were in Dominican and you posted a picture with a guy with no head.
That's when me go do my legs because I never want nobody to say, oh my God, the surgery. Because it was supposed to be like, boom, we're going to post a picture and then say, oh, what, should do something. So it's supposed to be a secret. So me, like, I try to turn the edge from me being in Dominica. I want them things say, the vacation, but they're not surgery.
Because anybody could see through that. Come on, this was not her man, bro. This was just a little random thing that you did.
People to me and say, yeah, the white man still there.
Okay, so let me ask you. So then we're
white man.
So we're talking. Was that your man then? Renee, tell me. Okay, so it was something that you did to divert them, right?
You know muscle.
Talk to me.
You know about the internet and you know where I go on. Because you must know people business, you know. Must know people. Must know the thing. Know the little craft them. Where go on. Must know the business. So and that now it must you alone know.
Yeah.
And couple people will know the business. Say, the man and Renee, man. But really and truly, people believe that was my man.
Yeah.
But you. But I really actually like my plan it all like but then whatever I say. But if I post something, I say to the girl, one of the girl, I say, I'm gonna go up on the beach. Because them said when I go up on the beach, I'm like, I'm excited. When I say, yes, man, I go up on the beach. Dominica, I never go on the beach there. So I like a little vacation. So when I reach them, I say, I wonder if I can post some picture with a man and say, I'm on a vacation. For the people them that think, say, I'm going to do my body again. So, make me think when I reach on the beach, I'm see the man, two man, I'm like, hi, would you take a picture with me? And the guy was like, of course. I said, I want to make my boyfriend jealous. So hold on to like, touch my body. And the boy was, of course. The man was, he even asked me for a number after. I'm like, I'm going to chat, my miss, I'm going to chance. I didn't even know a white man. Look a white man, bad to bad.
You're different. You know what I mean? Your energy, but I like your transparency and your vibe. You understand? You know what I mean? This is bringing up to even 2022 right now. You just connected with Rygin King for Wet.
When it is, I want to just connect. Me and Rygin King been friends for years.
For years?
Yeah. But it's not like, just like how people know me, a popcorn a friend. Me and a couple artists are good friends, but people don't really know. Come like go out there and just a post and a beat. But me and him, for a whole heap of time, would always talk about music. Like, from me and him just turned friend, when me and him just turned friend, that's how we just did. I do music, I think around 2018, them time, from 2019 come up. So that every time me and him link, me ever say, yo, I have to do a song, bro, I have to do a song. I say, yeah, man, but you know, things take time. So this now, it's like me link him back again, I say, bro, I have to do the song now. This is the right time. Let's do it. And I say, yo, I'm ready, because right now, even our work mode, like, I'm ready.
You could see because he just came out, I think it was this week, and he really showed the world that he actually paralyzed after the shooting and stuff. And how was it actually shooting the video? Because clearly you knew this from a long time because this is your friend. You know what I mean? What was it like now shooting the video with your friend that you know was walking before, but now he's paralyzed in a wheelchair? It's like, fuck. What was that like?
No, at first when I heard, I was like, it's sad, but you know, people can't overcome anything. For me, I have life, you can't overcome anything. And when I tell the lie, spirit, I'm very happy. Like, but know him probably sometime by himself and probably feel that way because he's a human being. But speaking to him and everything, him have a happy spirit. And him encourage me, like, make sure you do the thing. Must say I do the thing and you do it good. Do your thing and don't stop. But I bear that, like, him encourage me and him be like, yeah, man, yeah, bad artist. Just like when me and Kartel talk, I say, me I say, you sure? Kartel say, Mama, bad artist. I be like, no, stop me. The same way Rygin King talk to me, be like, yeah, bad artist. To make them tell you nothing. Don't stop. I mean, I say, yeah, always happy. Make joke him, laugh him, go on. So, it's like, you know, he come like, I never remember saying he can't walk. Kind of like him come sad and be like, you know? So, but I'm glad say him overcome it, because even me, I said to him, say, bro, once you come out, you know, people must support you wicked, you know. And then I'll be like, yeah, my love him strong. Because I'm strong. I'm strong. And not anybody can do that.
He held it for like basically 2 years and nobody really knew. So then you knew.
No. Yeah. Him good man. Because nobody never know.
Yeah.
Nobody never know.
How did you guys come up with the concept for Wet? Because that's a real man and woman talking bad to each other back and forth. How did you guys come up with it?
Make you get wet. You have it too, and I'm certain. You know, I really him come up with the idea still. Because me that know, at first me that tell him say, I wanted us to do, sorry. You see when him do the song named Glue, the fuck song, the nice sexy song there, me ever had message him and I said, bro, would I do the remix, you know? Would I come on a song they call differently? I love that song there. All the time I go on myself on the song there in the bedroom. After play that song, the song nice, but I was like, give me a buzz, give me a vibe. I mean, I said, the way I love the song, like me I said to him, say, but I'll go up on the song as a remix. I end up letting him say, all right, me link him back and make you know. But end up that Stark Ashley did end up do the remix.
Okay.
Yeah, she did the remix. So he must say, Mama, don't worry yourself, still I got do something. I mean, I say, yeah, man, remember say, me I link and I like your runway, or you know, it's a random artist, so me link, me I link. So if you say soon, you don't know, me I wait. And when him link back with the same sexy song. So that's how the sex come in. Because we are saying, we don't really love this. He realized I love the sexy song. So I must say, all right, let's do a fuck song. Let's do a sexy song. And I say, yeah, I'm ready. When me see him send wet, me I say, yo, this coming like Glue Part 2. No for make you get wet. Me I say, yo, this bar. I'm going to just put in my part. Even when I do my part, I say, I wonder if you like it. Because every time I do the song, my nervous like with you, but I don't know why. Because, like, remember, I still look for myself as a young artist. So, even if, yeah, my name established, but me as an artist is not all that established. So, I now say, I have doubts in myself. I know I can't sing, I know I can't do my thing. But, through them a bigger artist for me, I'm like, I hope they like it. When I do it, I say, I hope them like it. But still, say, yo, and me at first time I said, why? I wonder if him like it. I'm not in the line. As I was saying, Rygin the song, my part, and him hear it, him say, no one is bad. I know we are drop this. No, we're to the same video call at the same time. Sorry, video call at the same time. Be like, it's no, we are drop it. No, we're not. Wait. No, me say yes, up. We're not wait. Ready. Cause the way him love this song, him said no. Yeah, man.
No, man. Bad song. When are we going to get a full body of work from Renee 630? When are we going to get an EP or an album?
An EP. Yeah, I work for now. I work for my EP now. So, soon, people look out for the EP. By next year, I'm going to do an album. But for now, I work on the EP.
Get them a piece of a small body of work, see how it works in the... And then give them the fullness.
Yeah, man, but we've been planning the EP and stuff. I'm a Vice. Some of the songs I'm have the EP already.
Okay.
But we just not finished. You know, someday Vice up some songs, I say, oh no, we have picked a song that we're not about to pick a song. So we're still deciding. Yeah.
That's good there. We're in Toronto, Canada right now. What are you doing up here?
I come for a good show them. Tropics this Saturday, which is tomorrow. People make sure to come out. And the look good gal I got today. Can you know from them call my name, you know. It's about the look good gal and the money man them I come spend. So people come out Tropics tomorrow, and people right now, while I'm in Toronto, you know, we are promote wet. Some want to go download Versus. Go download Versus. Give me I want him to see. Go download Versus. Is it on the camera? Go download Versus the app, because we're going to have a wet challenge on Versus this upcoming week. And we're giving away prizes. So I give her money, I give her the things to the girl name. What do you need for come into the competition? Wet challenge. Look out for the wet challenge. Go download Versus app, please. Okay? Yeah.
Like that. Definitely, I know they're going to have a vibe, because I know your energy. Tomorrow, when you step in that place here, it's going to be so
crazy.
Listen.
Or when the selector drop wet, I want to go, but you better come. You better come. Gotta be a nice list.
Yeah.
They've never booked me for no reason, so.
What's your thing there? What's your favorite part of your body?
Really?
Yeah, really.
But now it's not lie, my favorite part of my body is my belly.
Okay.
Yeah, because for some reason, if I'm going to do surgery, my belly stay flat and it just never get big. All females that do surgery and like your belly will get big. And I'm like, how you maintain it? I'm like, I don't know, like my belly just flat. Sometimes I be like in the mirror like, look good, man. My belly flat out. Nice. But yeah.
How many mirrors do you have in your house?
And you know she's still up. Yes, I love it too. It's on my breast.
How many mirrors do you have in your house?
How much one mirror?
Mirrors do you have?
I say I'm full of mirrors. You know, you know. I say you know something I like how him stay. Him just analyze my tone, but not coming back. Time my business too much, man.
It's all good.
Him a time my business too much.
Me?
Yeah. Can I analyze my tone? You know some love mirror. I mean, I walk on the door that me I look in there. Come I have to look by myself. Yeah.
The investment, right?
Of course. The back of money.
Yeah. They want to check you out on social media. Where could they check you out? And they want your music and stuff. Leave some information before I get you out of here.
People, go check out my music on YouTube, on Spotify, Apple Music. They're all over. Anywhere you can find music, Renee 630 is on it. But when you're typing Renee 630, put in RENEE, not RENA. So RENEE 630 with the number, because people tend to spell out the 630. So it's the number. Renee 630 the number. Then you will see it come up. Because some people will search and them they find it. On my Instagram, because I have a new Instagram, being that people know some Instagram, my previous Instagram gone and a new Instagram gone.
What happened to your old one?
Why am I not mention it, man? They just love the mix up on the bagga.
I wouldn't say that. It's just... You brought it up. Listen, you brought it up. We'll talk about it. What happened to your Instagram?
But my Instagram was hacked by some girl named Ivani. She hacked my Instagram. That's the first one, the real big Instagram I have from 2013. Them time. And then I built a new page, and then like people kept reporting stuff on it. So Instagram took down the page. Like they saying I have too much violation and something. Instagram gets strict, so the least I could tell you do them take your page. So Instagram deactivated it. So I'm gonna get a new Instagram now, which is Renee 630 official. So Renee with the number official. Remember people, the number.
Official.
We'll spell out the 630s. Renee 630 the number and official. So Renee 630 official on Instagram, Renee 630 official on TikTok. Yeah, that my name by everything. Facebook, everything.
Proper, YouTube and everything there.
Yeah.
Any big ups, any shout outs, anything right now? The floor is yours before I let you go.
Yeah, man. Big up Naya and big up Versus. Big up Crawba, Genius, Madan. You don't know. Big up yourself and big up Charly. And big up my friend Sher. You know about the body. I'm off big up. And big up everyone. I'm not gonna lie. I love Toronto. Want to treat me good. People that in Toronto don't treat me good. I love it.
Your energy, your vibe, it was a good vibe, you understand?
And big up Muscle. Him know my business.
A little something, something. A little something, something.
Must go do the research. I can't bother.
If it would, you as an artist, all right, do you rather when somebody comes in and gives you the generic, hey, what are you doing in the next 5 years? Who do you want to work with? Or do you rather speak to somebody that understands who you are?
No, that's what I said. This is one of the best interviews I do because you know everything. You do your research and it makes sense. You're doing your work. And I like them when just ask, as you say, the regular question what every interviewer asks. Yeah. So I like it. Me give you props, Muscle. You know my business.
6:30. Not 6:45 or 6:25,
No,
6:30.
not 7 o'clock.
Thank you so much.
30.
You understand. Thank you so much for checking us here at the Entertainment Report podcast. Let me give you an outro and get you order because this conversation, epic conversation. Understand?
Entertainment, real entertainment.
You know what, Erks? Before we get out of here, give us a couple lines of wet before we go.
Bad man, my like, I'm a wire touch. Big good, my love, I enough for ask. Slow motion, me no want it fast. Outside anywhere, King caught me up. Shift my jaw just like curtain. Know I'm clean and I'm worthy. Pussy tighter than virgin. Want for blow you like whirlwind. Pussy wet up, cocky box me down. Man, me can't get up. Sandpaper fuck, I'm a want it rough. Start now the sheets, me no want it done. Inna the Jeep, we a continue. Know me a freak, I'm a nasty. Know if you need me, you call me. More than a G, I'm a charges. So me a skin out my crease when you want it.
Renee, your energy, amazing. Let me give you an outro and get you out of here, all right? Bam. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out. Erks. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.